To add Google AdSense to your Wix website, head over to your Wix editor and then click on Add Apps from the left-hand side panel. Click on the search bar and search for Wix Monetize. And then click on this Wix Monetize with AdSense option, which allows you to monetize your site by displaying brand-safe ads. Since Wix Monetize with AdSense is already added to my website, you'll see over here that it says installed. I'll go ahead and click on Add again to show you how to set this up. As you can see, it's now adding the Wix Monetize by AdSense to my Wix website. The first thing we need to do is click on Manage Ads from its individual toolbar. This will redirect us to the Wix Monetize with AdSense dashboard. From here, you're able to manage the ad units that show on your site. If you click on the three little dots on the right-hand side, you're able to view or connect the Google AdSense associated to this account. As you can see, this here is my publisher ID. Scrolling down, we can see all of the ad units that are connected or not connected to my Wix website. If we go ahead and click on Edit next to one of them, we can change the ad unit name, as well as change whether it's a responsive ad unit or a fixed ad unit. Once you're done doing so, click on Save at the bottom. To connect these ad units to your Wix website, let's X out of this dashboard and reposition this Wix Monetize with AdSense so that it's in a location of our choice. I'll add it over here, and then click on Settings, Ad Units, and then click on this Homepage Top Ad to add that ad to our Wix website. As you can see, Homepage Top Ad is now connected. We can repeat the same process to add as many ads to our Wix website as we wish. Click on Add Apps from the left-hand side panel, search for Wix Monetize with AdSense, add the ad we wish, click on Settings, Ad Units, and then select another ad. In this case, I'll select the homepage bottom one. As you can see, it's now connected. Feel free to repeat the same process on as many pages as you wish. To create a new Google AdSense ad you can add to your Wix website, head over to Google AdSense, click on Ads from the left-hand side panel, click on Buy Ad Unit up top, and then create a new ad unit. This can be a display ad, an in-feed ad, an in-article ad, or a multiplex ad. Once you select one of the options, such as a display ad, all you have to do is follow the steps it provides, such as including the ad unit name and ad size, and then clicking on Create at the bottom. You'll then be able to see all of the existing ad units directly on your Google AdSense account, as well as directly within Wix Monetize in this Ad Unit section over here. Once you're done adding Google AdSense ads to your Wix website, make sure you click on Publish on the top right-hand side to make your changes active. For even more tips and tricks on how to make money with your Wix website, make sure to check out the video on the screen right now.